Today we are going to talk about your favorite animals. I have some questions to ask you and please try to answer with full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
What is your favorite animals?
My favorite animal is elephant
Why do you like elephants?
because they are big, smart and kind.
What color are elephants?
Elephants are usually gray.
Where do elephants live?
They live in the jungle and in zoo.
What do elephants eat?
They eat grass, leaves, fruit and plants.
Have you ever seen an elephant?
Yes, I saw one at the zoo last year.
Are elephants friendly?
Yes, I think they are very gentle and friendly.
Can elephants swim?
Yes, they are very good swimmer.
How big is an elephant?
Elephants are very big and heavy. They can weigh thousands of kilos.
Do you want to ride an elephant?
Yes, I want to ride an elephant one day when I visit a jungle.
That was amazing. You have done a good job. That is the end of your speaking test and we'll see you again soon.
Thank you, teacher.